You might have heard of a VPN before, but did you know that they're a helpful way to expand your international marketing reach? VPNs are an often overlooked tool that can grow your business across borders by reaching people from new countries and diverse backgrounds. In this video, we'll cover how VPNs work, the benefits for your digital marketing strategy, and the basics of using a VPN for international digital marketing. A VPN, or a virtual private network, is a service that encrypts your internet connection while masking your IP address. The encryption makes sure that if anyone intercepts your data, they will not be able to read it without an encryption key, which makes your online actions essentially untraceable. You can also use your masked IP address to appear as if you are browsing from other global locations instead of your actual address. You might have used one to watch a Netflix show that wasn't available in your country, for example, but they also have a use in digital marketing. 4 ways to use VPNs to boost your digital marketing strategy. 1. Improve SEO. Using a VPN, you are able to view search engine results pages from various locations, which lets you perform more accurate keyword research and tailor your content for local SEO optimization. You can also analyze the performance of competitors across global markets according to keywords relevant to each local area, and optimize your content accordingly for higher global rankings. 2. Pricing intelligence. A VPN allows you to conduct market research into each region and charge users according to the pricing differentiation between areas. Specifically, companies can use data to make decisions about pay-per-click and meta search campaigns. 3. Social media marketing. Social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, use geo-targeted ads for users in different locations. The performance of social media campaigns can be tested using a VPN to set up different ad accounts for each country. You are also able to identify locations where a social media campaign performs more highly and scale your budget accordingly. 4. Remote collaboration. VPNs create a private network for you to share sensitive information more securely with employees and clients around the world. They will have access to company accounts and marketing tools no matter their location. So, what are the benefits of using VPNs for your digital marketing strategy? 1. Geographically restricted content. VPNs allow you to bypass geolocation restrictions to view websites, ads, and social media platforms from the point of view of your target countries. This gives you valuable insight that is otherwise difficult to get and helps you tailor your content to create personalized global marketing campaigns for multiple locations. 2. Competitor analysis. By accessing competitor websites, advertising, and other content anonymously through a VPN, your company can better understand your competitors' marketing strategies. You can use a VPN to make an unbiased analysis and apply those insights to strengthen your own marketing strategies. 3. Testing marketing campaigns. A VPN allows you to check that your ads and other content are displaying correctly in different regions, and that users around the world will have the same seamless experience. You will also be able to see how audiences in different countries interact with your content, and which types of content are more effective in which areas. 4. Enhanced security. VPNs protect your data through encryption, which is especially important with sensitive marketing information such as customer data, performance metrics, and marketing strategies. Thus, your privacy, as well as that of your customers, will be safeguarded through the use of a VPN. Using a VPN can elevate your digital marketing strategy to the next level, expanding it beyond borders and geographically restricted areas. If you want to learn more about international marketing, check out this video right here, or this other one where we dive deeper into how to analyze your competitors' marketing campaigns.